Hello guys, so I just received the kit from a zip tie racing con to fix and to change my the elbow on Aprilia fuel pump, because the stock one is plastic. It got broken easily. As I paused last video, it was broken, so I show you last time how to take this off, and now I'm gonna show you how to install the new one, aluminum, stronger, very nice CNC work done. Actually, I show you how to install this one. So the kit comes with the elbow, the mica thread, a bit for the same size of the thread, and a little screw. Okay, so what I did, actually, I take some measurement on the elbow, try to stay as much as possible on the bottom of the line. That because if you stay too much on top, when the elbow installed, it can have a lot of play. I don't like it. Nothing happened, but I don't like it. I prefer to have the elbow pretty steady. So I try to start, how you can see, really close to the bottom edge. Okay, and what I did, once I got the measurement, I just signed over here a little mark with the caliper, and then I drill just with a normal drill and make a hole, and then after that I make a thread. Okay, that is gonna be ready with the screw. Sorry guys. Okay, sorry, I'm here. You can see I can screw in. Okay, just be ready. Just at the edge, try to not let the point of the screw coming out. It could, because it could mark the o-ring, the gasket o-ring. That's important, has to be in a good shape. So at this point, I put some little grease over here to help the o-rings to slide in easier. And that's it. Once you've done this, just push it in and screw this up, screw it on. Before too tight, you want way too tight, because we need to put it in the right direction, the hose. Okay, and it is, we have no plate coming in, coming out. It's pretty tight, perfect, it moves. So when you set up on the bike, you have the right direction for this one. Good thing is tie it down a little bit, not crazy, just a little bit, since the thread is made in the plastic, it's not made in metal, so you could easily strip the thread. So here we go, pretty steady and safer than the stock one. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Take care.